Good morning. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. The other day I saw some frosted brownies and I thought, oh, they look so good. Yeah, you guessed it. Frosted brownies, homemade. Let's get started. Take a look and see how this works out. My God, what did you eat? And here we go. We've got the heat on, and we're going to start by melting 1/4 pound stick of butter. Turn the heat down just a little bit here. We've got that melted. Now we're going to add here 3/8 of a cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. All nicely melted up. Oh yeah. Turn the heat off now. We've accomplished our goal. It's melted. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Going to blend in here now 3/4 of a cup of flour. We're also going to add here 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And while we're at it, let's add the eggs. I forgot to do my snap tool, so let's do that right now. There you go, the eggs are there. You know, that's not going to be enough to fill my 13 by 9 pan, so I'm going to double up on that recipe. Okay guys, here we go. It's another 1/4 pound of butter, 2 more eggs, another 3/8 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 more cup of sugar, another 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this all together. Don't worry guys, when I do the ingredients in the description below, I'll make sure I include the whole amounts, not the half amount 2 times. Let's add the flour, another 3/4 of a cup of flour. Alright, now the batch is successfully doubled up. I'm going to put the mixture into my 13 by 9 greased up brownie pan. Okay. Let's put this into my 350 degree preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting, we're going to work on the frosting here. I have 6 tablespoons of melted or softened butter. We're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to add 1/2 a cup of cocoa, teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to carefully blend that all together here. Push this out to a bigger bowl, and we're going to add a little bit of milk here. A little more milk. Starting to come together a little bit here. A little bit more milk. Now we'll just wait for the brownies to be ready. Alright guys, fresh out of the oven. It cooled for a little bit. Let's put the frosting on top. Oh yeah, it tastes as good as it looks, believe me. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.